What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Super weird to say that. Probably not going to get over it for a little while. If you are new here, which you probably are because I'm also brand new here, welcome. I am Madelaide and I am not a makeup artist. I am a makeup enthusiast and I like to do things like this to my face. So today we obviously played with some color. We did a little bit more of an avant-garde look today. It's definitely out of my comfort zone and definitely out of the box, but I think it turned out pretty well. What do you think? I was super inspired by this picture I found on Pinterest. I'm going to insert it here right now. Unfortunately, I can't find any link to an Instagram or a blog or a YouTube account. If you know who this person is, please tell me, leave a comment, and I will definitely be sure to link her information in the description box below. So when I saw a look with both red and green together without looking like Christmas, I definitely wanted to try my hand at that because those are two of my absolutely favorite colors. So if you want to know how I recreated this avant-garde eyeshadow look today, then keep on watching. Hey! How's it going today, guys? How's your life? How's your kids? Do you have kids? It doesn't matter. So it looks like there are actually some people who want to watch my videos. I am kind of overwhelmed that there are even just 75 of you who subscribed and wanted to see more. So I guess that means I actually have to do the thing, the video thing. So we're gonna do that today. We're gonna do the thing. We're gonna do the video thing. Welcome to my basement. Yeah, I took down the curtain. Yeah, it was bad. It looked bad. Why make any bones about the fact that I film in my basement? So here we are in my basement. So today I thought I'd film a little bit of an eyeshadow look because the one comment I got on my video, which was super awesome to get a notification on my phone saying, you have a comment on your video. And I was like, this is weird. They said that they wanted to see some colorful looks. Yeah, so do I. I love color. I love working with it. And I was on Pinterest the other day and I saw this photo of this really cool avant-garde sort of minimalist eyeshadow look. This person, whoa, I'm hungry. And I really gravitated toward it. I thought that'd be a great thing to do today while I'm getting ready. So as you can see, the base is done. We're baking under the eyes. If you want to know how I got to this point, that is my first video, which yes, it is filmed in my bathroom, but I don't have a studio. If I do ever change my foundation steps or my routine, I will be sure to upload that and let you know. Let's do some eyeshadow, shall we? Yeah, let's do that. So I've already primed my eyelids with a little bit of concealer and loose setting powder. We're going to start with a transition shade to put down a little bit of a base for all the color that's going to go on later. And the perfect palette to do that with is the Jaclyn Hill palette. Start with this shade today. It is called Pukey. And that's super gross, but that's okay. We're going to go in with a fluffy blending brush. Start pressing that and fluffing that into my outer crease. And we're just going to bring it up to the brow bone. Make sure it's nice and blended out on the outer edges. And we're going to do the same thing on the inner portion of the lid. Kind of like a halo eye. You can bring it all the way into this region right here. Should start looking up names of all like the bones, just so I sound a bit more credible. So just make sure you leave some space in between the two areas where you're putting down your color. So this is where we're at with our transition shade. Next off, we're going to go in with a little bit of a burgundy shade with our Modern Renaissance palette. I have not busted this bad boy out in such a long time, and I felt like this was a good opportunity to. We're going to go in with Love Letter on the outer edge, taking a smaller fluffy brush. Now we all know that ABH shadows are super pigmented, so use a light hand to start. And pat it in first before swiping around because we want to make sure this is placed. Man, my stomach is going off. You can always just take a clean, fluffy brush and blend out the edges and go back and forth if you aren't satisfied with how the color is being placed. And then we are going to go into some greens. Yes, I know, red and green. We should never do that because you end up looking like Christmas. but they're my two favorite colors, okay? So we're gonna go back into our Jaclyn Hill palette and pick up these two green shades and mix them together, Soda Pop and Enchanted. And actually bring it up a little bit into the eyebrow. That's pretty much it for the shadow portion of this look. Instead of doing a purely gold eyeshadow for the highlight portion of the look, I'm going to go in back into the Jaclyn Hill palette with Creamsicle, which is more of a antique-y gold shade. It works. I'm just going to go in with my little angle brush here. It is saturated in Smashbox primer water, dipped into this gold shadow to foil it, and we're just going to make a line right on the brow bone. And we want it to look sharp, like it has an edge. I don't want it blended out. I want the highlight to sort of cut through all that blending. We're gonna attempt to do a tiny V right on the inner tear duct. No, oh god, in my eye. And that's it. That's pretty much the look. I'm just gonna finish the other eye off camera, do some lashes, mascara, and when I come back we will finish the look. Okay, lashes are on. They are not giving me too much grief, a little bit of grief. I did this look last night without lashes, and I almost like it better with just mascara, but too late now. We're just gonna move on with the face, and to start off we're going to go into a brand new butter bronzer. Yeah! Going in with a big fluffy brush and pounce it in. Stop slouching. To deepen up my bronzer, I'm going to go in with good old Benefit Hoola. Five head. For blush today, we're going to go in with my Blush Bazaar by Tarte. These two shades right here, they're called Angelic and Skillful. We want to go a bit more neutral with the blush today, so as not to detract from the eyes. And one side always looks more pigmented than the other for some stupid reason. Does anyone else find that? That one side of their face just like eats color, eats pigment? And for highlight today, we are going to go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Tip of the nose. To go over my cheeks today, I'm just going to dust on a little bit of my Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore because it's pretty and golden. I'm going to go in with the Ultra Satin Lip by ColourPop, Loreal and No Kill LA in shade BAM! BAM! I'm going to go in with the Ultra Glossy Lip by ColourPop, Loreal and No Kill LA in the shade Wham! Wham! And of course we can't forget setting spray. And there we have it. This is the finished look for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me do something a bit more out of the box, a bit more outside my comfort zone, but I definitely had fun trying to recreate this look that I found. So if you like this video today, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There's already a small handful of you who decided to do so, and I thank you. I thank you very much. If you'd like to see anything specifically from me, please leave a comment down below. I will definitely be sure to do that because I'm just doing this for fun. Also, if you want to know when I upload a new video, please click the notification bell. I do not have an uploading schedule, so you won't know when I post another video because it's probably going to be random. I have a life, I have a job, I have, you know, things going on, so I'm just going to upload when I can. Super weird to say all those things. Yeah, again, thank you so much for watching today, and thank you for all the new subscribers so far, all 77 of you. It's just super surreal. I hope you are doing excellently wherever you are in the world. I'm gonna work on that sign off. Be good to each other. Do good things. Be generous. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. We're done!